Hello guys, welcome back with Wealthy Panda. Today I want to go ahead and talk about gold. It is one of the oldest currencies and also one of the most precious metals on earth. The stuff we're going to be highlighting today is why should we go ahead and buy gold and hold on it? What is the expected return on investment if you decided to invest in gold? And last but not least, how can you get ahead and get started with buying and selling gold? Let's start with number one. Now, gold is a no-brainer. It has been always the currency that's being trusted and agreed on worldwide. So if even historically, if we go back as far as Rome, people were buying and selling stuff using gold. In the future, probably, I don't know, maybe 1 century later, when we meet the Martian on Mars, they will probably, the only currency they will accept will still be gold. And believe it or not, every currency we are trading today, whether it's US dollar, which is European euro, even Chinese yuan, all of these currencies holding their value and have a value based on how much each one of these countries having gold stored as a reserve and holding its value. So all of these currencies that we are seeing floating around left and right are nothing but representation of a gold, one way or another. So there is no question that we should consider buying gold itself instead of just holding US dollar, European euro, whatever currency that looks shiny for us and think, hey, on the future, I better have money, right? Now, another thing that I want to highlight, I know as a millennial, I never associated with gold. I mean, growing up, whenever I think gold, it's probably some of these accessories my mom and my sisters buy. My mom always like, hey, gold, buy it and hold its value. So I should go ahead and buy gold. But again, they buy some of these stuff from jewelry, and because there's a lot of handwork done in gold, usually when they sell, they may actually lose money. When I'm talking gold, we are talking about this beautiful bar of golds or coins that you can buy and hold on them. These are stuff that we can all trust, right? And these are stuff that actually increase in value over time. Now, let me give you just an idea why gold is very precious and why we should all go ahead and start buying gold like no tomorrow. Now, growing up, whenever I ask about my dad about investment, they always believe, hey, buy a land, buy a real estate. If you have some money, just go ahead and throw it into the stock market. Believe it or not, nobody ever mentioned to me I should go ahead and buy gold. And they believe that real estate is the best asset. And the reason for that is they experience it. They buy a house, over time their house increases in value, and they say, you know what? Hey, real estate work. Okay, let's see exactly if real estate is better than gold, should we? If you bought a house in year 2000, and let's say you spend 100,000 for that house. Sounds good? Awesome. Now it's 2021, 20 years later, you want to sell that house. How much is it going to make for you? Let's say you are really good lucky. Based on the statistics we have here from the Bureau, let's say you will increase 67% on average nationwide in America. I'm going to say you are a really good player. You bought a house in a very good area. Increase what? 2 times? Your 100,000 now worth what? $200,000? Let's say you are a great player. Multiply your house value in 3 times. So now you have $300,000. Congratulations. Don't forget to pay your taxes. Now, how much would you done money-wise if you put the same amount of money in gold instead of that beautiful house of yours? Did you know that gold, let's go check the graph, it jumped out from $240 per 1 ounce in 2000 to almost $2,000 in this year. I mean, this is crazy. Your money would multiply between 9 to 10 times whatever amount you bought if you invest in gold. Now, reconsider that investment. Do you feel bad for buying a house? Maybe. Well, unless it's the house you're living in, then you probably save some money, right? But I mean, if this is second house, it probably is not holding its best value. Now, that we highlighted for you, gold is a huge investment. And the best part of it, you don't need to do maintenance, you need to fix, you just buy it and hold on it. It is really that easy. And to be honest, I don't think it is the gold just going up. It's more of everything prices. So the inflation making the dollars or currencies that we are trading with is actually losing its value. This is why gold continue to go up. there is a limited percentage of gold on this earth, and no matter how much we bring out of land, it's not gonna change. The percentage we have in gold, it's not being coming out every day. We are not planet symmetry and using it, right? Now, one thing I want to highlight before I jump onto the platform that I am using personally in order to buy and sell gold, we need to highlight the relationship between gold and economy, because this is a huge link here that a lot of people miss. Now, gold is considered always the constant. Believe it or not, everybody believes that. And what people do is, whenever the economy is not doing well, people get scared, because people usually love the economy. It's going up, they are very optimistic, everybody gonna be happy, and the more money going around, the best is everything else. Now let's go to gold. People are holding gold right here, and it's constant. So when the economy tank, gold have to continue holding itself up. As a matter of fact, the value of gold just keep going up. So most investors, whenever there is a recession, whenever there is a bad timing, whenever they are scared of the economy, they immediately sell their stocks and jump into buying gold. And this is brings the prices of gold just doubling and tripling down. So over the last year, gold have increased rapidly. Even as other precious metal like silver multiplied by 2 just since last year. So you need to keep in mind, buying gold, even if you buy it in no matter what time you buy. I know a lot of people say, hey, wait until gold goes down. Well, we don't know if it's gonna go down, right? Since last year in USA alone, we printed 25% more money than any time in history. So we are trading 25%, it's just inflation. And we are still using that money. Well, it's in circulation. So the fact is, gold probably may hold its value, and it may just keep going up over the next couple of years. And personally, I do believe by the end of this year and beginning of next year, gold will increase in value. And the reason for that, there's a lot of speculation that they're hoping that the inflation is temporary, but the fact is we printed a lot of money and now we're in trouble. So what's gonna happen next? The gold value gonna have to hold itself, because the inflation is not transition, it's permanent inflation. We created it and now we have to deal with it. So everything you are buying in the street is its value is becoming more expensive, and I believe this is not gonna go away. Right now everybody crossing their finger hoping, hey, this may go away. If it doesn't, gold value gonna go up. So now is a good time to buy gold. Again, this is my own perspective. It's up to you if you wanna take it or leave it. I'm not your financial advisor, right? But I just want to highlight, this is my current view on gold, and whenever I have some money, I'm not using it, I just go ahead and hold on some gold and leave it there. Now I'm gonna move to the platform I'm using right now, and the platform name is OneGold. Now OneGold is owned by a company named APMEX, and I'm personally affiliated with them. So if you guys go ahead and check the link in the description, anybody use my link will get a $10 sign up bonus just because you love Wealthy Panda and you are my subscriber. The first $5 is when you sign up, and the other $5 once you make your first trade of $100 in the app, you will get the other $5. Now let's focus on the app itself. Now APMEX, if you ever bought or sold actual gold, whether it's bar or coins, you probably recognize the name. It is the most trusted name in America when it comes to buying gold, and it is one of the companies that have a huge name here. So reputation wise, is a very known company. There's no question that APMEX is a trusted brand for you to buy and sell even to them the gold. Now you can buy gold and sell it through their website, but if you buy it through the app, you will actually get the best pricing in the market, and this is something that a lot of people don't know. So if I want to buy 1 bar of gold or silver and I go ahead buy it on their website, they will have a individual piece prices. They have I think between 2 to 10 prices, so they start doing bulk prices. And if you want to get the best price, you probably need to buy 100 coin in order to get it. On the app, you can buy one of these coins for the best price, and you get free shipping. It's just crazy. So there's 2 ways to actually use the OneGold app. The first way is you can actually go ahead and put amount of dollar and start buying gold, silver, or platinum, and they will have a representation for you on the app by both US dollar and the percentage of gold, silver you bought, and you can go ahead and sell it whenever you feel like it. Now if you decided to do that, trading it online, they are gonna store your gold, silver somewhere, and they're gonna actually charge you some fee to do so. Now the fees are not high. I think it's 0.0 something. You can go ahead and check it on the app. Now, and the maximum they can charge you in technically in 1 quarter every 3 months is $5. So for me, I have bunch of silver, I think maybe 12 right now. I have some money in gold and some in platinum, mostly gold. I'm paying them for the last quarter or the last 3 months only $5 in order to store it. And personally, I am more comfortable buying and leaving it with them than me buying it and hold it in my place or my office or whatever, because it's a huge risk. If I go ahead and open a bank account or bank safe in order to put them, it will cost me more money. Now, there is an option if you guys prefer to just buy and store at your home. It's completely doable, and you will still get the best prices in the app. Now, you can do that by click on the redeem button. Usually figure out, for example, what you want to buy. 2 coins of silver, 1 coin of gold, whatever the case is. Find the exact amount of money, deposit it in the app, then go ahead and click redeem and buy and add that item to the cart, and you will be able to check out. It's really that easy, and you will guarantee the highest or the best price you can get in the market for gold, silver, and platinum. Now, the app is growing on me. The app technically doesn't have any other fee except the storage if you decide to store with them. Whatever silver, gold, and platinum, if you kept it with them, is actually there's an company that, 3 accounting companies who actually go in and make sure that gold is being audited, it's segregated, and it's under your own name. So they are not selling you a bunch of stuff, on an app. You are actually holding that value somewhere. Now, this is just one thing that I like about the app. I can guarantee that my gold and silver is stored safely. Now, I want to highlight one last thing about the app. When you buy gold, silver, and platinum, it is different from buying stocks. You cannot get no fee. So technically, they don't have fees in order to buy and sell. However, they have what they call spotted price. So just think like currency. Currency prices they change all over the time. It's a 24/7 process. You cannot guarantee the exact price. So what most banks and most exchange currencies, they have something called spotted price. The buy price is different from sell price. Correct? Perfect. This is exactly what the app will do for you with gold, silver, and platinum, because they go through the same thing. So usually the buy is different from sell, and when you buy, technically you are paying the difference between the spotted price and the actual price. So keep that in mind if you're gonna be trading in the app. If you're gonna buy it and ship it to your house, this issue is not gonna be there. So again, it's your call. You can consider which one works best for you. I hope that you guys found this video useful. If you are not in USA, this app may not associate with you. So always my recommendation, go ahead and do your homework and find out the best app to buy and sell gold. Do not, by the way, I'm not a big fan of trading gold on daily basis. I prefer to hold on it for the value. It's your guys' call. If you want to do more of a trading stuff, I'm pretty sure you can find other type of videos with other YouTubers who highlight this type of stuff and how can you trade it on daily basis. If you love this video, please go ahead and smash that like button so we can provide you more valuable videos in the future. And do not forget to subscribe if you are not a subscriber. Otherwise, you will not get all the great deals that come with our channel, and it's completely free for you. Last but not least, I know our giveaway is coming very soon and a lot of you are excited about it, and believe it, so do I. So in a few days, it's July 15, I will actually go ahead and make a video, select the winner, and I'm gonna announce it on Facebook first. So if you are really looking forward to see that one ASAP, you can go ahead and check the Facebook page, which I will leave it in the description. I will probably post it the next day on YouTube, so it will be announced both way. I just planning to do it on Facebook because it would be easier for us. So I'm gonna leave the link for our Facebook page as well in the description if you guys want to see it ASAP as soon as it became available. Thank you guys, and stay tuned with Wealthy Panda.